super proud kasi everyone stepped up and talagang nag-enjoy lang kami. So, ang ganda lang din tingnan na nagkoconnect yung buong team.
Thank you. Do I have to speak? I'm really happy with the performance of the team. Kasi inside the court, you can really hear everyone leading in their own ways. As in, teamwork talaga. And it's so nice to hear. And it's so fun to play.
Siyempre una, thank you. And then, very thankful din kasi siyempre, nakuha namin ng straight set. And then, proud dun sa team kasi lahat nung ginagawa namin sa training, kahit pa paano lumalabas siya. But, siyempre, kailangan pa rin namin magtrabahuhan hanggang sa master namin yung gusto namin mangyari. And, ma-execute everything. So,
Thank you, Coach. And